Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about the uniqueness of coconut oil. It has some real interesting properties that I want to discuss. Number one, it is over 50% of it is MCTs, medium chain triglycerides. Now what are those? Those are a type of fat that doesn't necessarily convert to fat. It's used as energy, and it's really good to induce more fat burning. So it will help you lose weight. It's a fat that helps you lose weight. And also, it's very friendly to your liver and gallbladder. So it doesn't involve a lot of the bile in the liver to actually digest this fat, because it immediately goes right into the lymph system through your intestines, and it's used for energy. So it's really good for people with liver problems and gallbladder issues. Okay, so that's really cool. It has lauric acid. There's really only 2 or 3 things that I know. I think palm oil, coconut oil, and breast milk that have lauric acid. Lauric acid is a very powerful antiviral, antimicrobial type of fat that helps decrease viruses. It helps your immune system. It's really good for candida and funguses. So it's a good thing for your immune system. So coconut oil is good for the immune system, good for fat burning, good for energy. It also helps you get into ketosis. That's fat burning. Because when you're in ketosis, you need something like fat to allow you to go from one meal to the next. That's one of the reasons you should see some of my recent videos, and I'll put some links down below on these keto bombs, keto fat bombs. So I have a lot of different recipes now that I'm putting out there to give people ideas to camouflage coconut oil. Like how are you going to eat coconut oil? You're going to just like put it in a spoon? Well, you can make little cookies with it, and then you can keep them in the freezer or the fridge and consume them at the end of the meal. So it's a way to consume more fat to allow you to not be so hungry and go from one meal to the next, so you can burn more fat. So it does help ketosis versus going on some low-calorie thing or low-fat meal. That's really bad. And also actually it promotes good cholesterol, and it actually improves your cholesterol profiles. So coconut oil is really good for your hair as well, good for the skin. It's good for a lot of things. So I just wanted to point these out. Go ahead and start consuming coconut oil if you haven't already. But go ahead and click the link below, and I have some recipes for you called Keto Fat Bombs. Check it out. Thank you for watching.